Okay, now we'll start to build our kohlrabi flower. You want to again cross the flaps over each other and push the skewer through the center, sort of drilling it in by twisting the skewer. That helps prevent cracking of the vegetable. You want to push down gently when you're making the flower. You don't want to shove things on there too harshly because the petals are rather delicate. And you just build your flower alternating as you put them on, and you can change the tightness of the leaf, like how much it's cupped, by how much you cross over. If you cross it over just this much, it's a fairly flat petal. If you cross it over like this, you have a nice standing up petal, a nice cupped petal. And just slide those on. And as you get closer to the center, it's nice to pull them in a little tighter, make them a little more cupped. This is with 7 petals. Choose a smaller carrot to twist onto the center and to hold that flower together nicely. And then we'll look for something to put in the center.